Do you remember the day you first saw someone speed by on a motorcycle? Do you remember the day you passed the test and made the short, triumphant ride home? Do you remember the first time you rode out, with no specific direction, no destination, exploring back roads in search of something? Something you eventually found. Do you remember your first ride with your friends, who all loved riding too, and the day trip that lasted all weekend? Do you remember the first time you fell in love with a road? Do you remember poring over maps looking for more, and the feeling you got in the pit of your stomach when you found them? Do you remember how the bends and twists on the map came alive under your two wheels? These are those roads. In Explorer's Edge, you'll find the comfort and luxury of Muskoka, the crystal clear waters of Parry Sound, the country roads of Almaguin Highlands, the pristine forests of Loring-Restoule, the majesty of Algonquin Park. All in some of the best undiscovered riding in Ontario. It's time to start exploring again. It's time to make some new memories. Ride the edge.